Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's video, we will learn how to create a replicated countdown start timer in Unreal Engine 5. I will show you the easiest and simplest way to do this. So let's build this system from scratch. So on here, I first create my game state class. I go in a blueprint class and search for the game state and set it name to BP third person game state class. In BP third person game state, I first set a variable, set it name to countdown start and set it variable type to float and set it replication to replicate it. Compile it, save it, and I put it on a number 5 because I want my timer start from the 5 seconds. Then I search for the set timer by event. Set time to 1 second and check the looping box. Then add a custom event. Set it name to update countdown start timer. On here, I first search a node called switch has authority because I want my code run on a server. Then I get my countdown timer, subtract a value of 1. So a 1 number will be subtract in a 1 second. Then set it. Then after I will check if my countdown start timer is less than to 0. I simply clear and invalidate timer by hand. Now here, simply search for event begin play and connect to set timer by event. So this is our countdown start timer logic that we put in a game state. So let's make a widget class to show this timer. Compile it, save it. Also set my game state class to my BP third person game state class. Then go in a widget folder and create a widget blueprint. And I set it name to WBP countdown start timer. I simply search for the canvas panel, then search for the text and set it anchor point to the center and set size to like 48 and size to content. Then I put a number of 3 to check it. Now we make it size like 60 or maybe 80. So the 80 looks good. You can increase it according to your need, and I set it name to like timer. Check my box trees variable. Maybe I can increase its number to like 120. Yeah. Then go in my graph tab and on event construct, first I get the reference of my game state class. So I simply search for the get game state, pass to my BP third person game state class. You can pass to your on your third person game state class, game state class, promote to a variable. So I get a reference on my game state class. Now on event tick, I simply get my VP third person game state reference variable and convert to a validate, and first if check if it is valid, then I get my countdown, sorry, get countdown variable and check if it is greater than 0, then I check my timer and set text to and connect text to countdown start and duplicate it, and if it's false, then I simply put a go. So this is our logic that we can using in our widget class. Now I compile it, and one thing is left behind, and after set text I add a delay node. After 1 second I remove from parent. Now compile it, save it, and go in my VP player controller class, and first I search that if it is a local player controller, you can use your own player controller and just put this code, and after if you check if it is a local player controller, then on a true pin I simply create my widget, create widget, and search for the WVP countdown start timer and add to viewport. Now compile it, save it. Now I can set number of player to 2 and net mode as a player listen server. Now I can test it. Now you can see my timer is working perfectly and it is perfectly replicated across server and clients. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe it. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.